In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best vlogging cameras in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. While the Fujifilm X-S10 isn't cheap, it's one of the best crop sensor mirrorless cameras you can get for the price, so it's a great camera for those who already have a taste for vlogging or are looking to upgrade their setup. There's a lot to love, from a large comfortable hand grip and sturdy design to a fully articulated screen that lets you easily monitor yourself while vlogging. It's also one of the few cameras in its price range to feature in-body image stabilization, APS-C. On top of that, you get a fair amount of frame rates to choose from, a slow-motion recording mode in 1080p, and a solid AF system that's especially well-suited to video, ensuring you or your subject stays in focus. It isn't the most compact vlogging camera you can get, but it gives aspiring videographers and vloggers all the tools they need to get started and then some. If you're only going to do walk-and-talk style vlogs, you might want to consider a more compact option like the Sony ZV-1 above, but all in all, the X-S10 is the most versatile of the bunch and gives you a ton of bang for your buck for different styles of video work. Number 4. The Sony ZV-1 is like a fixed-lens version of the Sony ZV-E10 above, and it falls around the same price range, except the lens is included, so you don't have to worry about extra expenses there. It's designed specifically for vlogging and has many of the same features as its interchangeable lens sibling. We're talking a fully articulated screen, a dedicated product showcase mode, and a solid internal microphone. With a detachable windscreen, it's also significantly more portable. Of course, that smaller size means it has a smaller battery, meaning a much shorter battery life. It also tends to overheat when shooting for longer periods in 4K, but that's fairly typical of compact cameras. On the upside, it has plenty of frame rate options for slow-motion footage and generally good video quality, especially considering its smaller 1-inch sensor, making this one of the best compact vlogging cameras we've tested. Number 3. The DJI Pocket 2 is the ideal companion for the vlogger who likes to walk and talk while filming. Its vertical design includes a built-in handle, a 3-axis motorized gimbal, for image stabilization, and 4K video at 60 FPS or 64 megapixel still images capture. Creating visually impressive, first-person content for YouTube, TikTok or another social media platform is easy with this camera, since the camera moves to face forwards or backwards. The biggest advantages to this camera are its small size, built-in handle with postage stamp-sized display, 8x zoom and auto-mechanical image stabilization. The lens captures wide-angle, 93-degree field of view video while the camera simultaneously records immersive stereo sound. It can track your intended subject to keep it in frame, even when there's lots of motion. The Creator Combo includes a mini joystick control add-on, a mini tripod and a wireless microphone transmitter, all helpful accessories for vlogging. Number 2. The photography industry is very brand loyal. As a Canon user myself, I will continue to buy these products until something incredible makes me swap. Without an interchangeable lens, the listed weight of this camera is actually how much it weighs. Vlogging demands a steady hand, and there's no better way to ensure steadiness than with a lightweight camera. Along with being lightweight, it is also one of the smallest vlogging cameras of this quality. This camera has the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, along with the ability to live stream to YouTube directly from your camera. If you want a higher frame rate, you can get 120 FPS with 1080p resolution. If you decide you want to use this camera to get photos as well as video, this device can shoot at 30 FPS in raw burst mode. Number 1. When it comes to cameras, Sony has officially surpassed Canon and Nikon as the top camera brand, and it couldn't be more evident with this camera. With 4K video capabilities and the ability to capture 120 FPS, your videos will be incredibly clear and have impressive quality even when put in slow motion. Personally, I didn't know cameras of this size and type could be mirrorless and have the ability to have interchangeable lenses. But this camera can be purchased with an assortment of lenses, but it is most commonly used with the 16 to 50 mm lens. At $800 when purchased with the lens included, this camera is on the more expensive side of the vlogging camera industry. Even so, this camera is a top-of-the-line device, and if you want the best experience to kick off your vlogs, this camera is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.